Hello and welcome to Lady Z Gardener. Today I'm going to show you what I'm going to be growing in February. Let's get started.
Some people dream of good things. Very few people stay away and do them.
Here in Essex in the UK, I'm in Zone 9, last frost day at the third week of February, but we do often have late frosts, so this is what I'm going to be sowing. The first thing on my list is leeks, and I'm going to be sowing them in the first week of February. I'm going to be planting them in pots in the garage so that they're ready to take over from harvested onions. Next, I'm going to be growing purple sprouting broccoli, and this will be around about the second week of February. This is due to its very long growing season. Next, I'm going to be growing broad beans outdoors. This is to fill up gaps that are left from plants that have failed from the autumn sowing. Finally, I'm going to be sowing kohlrabi into pots in the garage so I can transfer them in April. Thanks for watching.